You're going to see people from all walks of life, and as young as you and as old as me, that are on that floor working together. And that's a pretty cool thing, right?
It's really important that they get to actually see the environment, see the jobs, learn about what the expectations are. Going in, that way there's not any surprises to them, and they learn what the opportunities are. You know, most people when they drive past here, they don't understand how big of an operation it is and how many opportunities there really are for somebody here.
We have many jobs available. They might start out working on the plant floor, creating some unique product, a brake lever, airline cable assembly. We have people that have started on the plant floor and now are in supervisory positions and leadership positions in the company as well. So there are opportunities for growth at Orscheln Products.
We're giving them an opportunity to see the career opportunities that we have here and what manufacturing can offer them for careers and longevity and financial stability in their future, and it's a great recruiting tool for us.
Manufacturing Day has been extremely beneficial for us. The partnership with Missouri Chamber is so beneficial. So we would encourage other companies to continue this process, to open the eyes of our youth into what manufacturing opportunities exist.